Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Scallion Oil Chicken Rice in a rice cooker. So let's start cooking. Now we'll do a simple marinade on our chicken meat wings. I have with me over here 12 pieces of chicken meat wings, approximately 450 grams. Of course, you can use fresh or frozen meat wings. I'm using frozen wings. If you do not want to use wings, you want to use boneless chicken thigh or chicken breast meat, no problem at all. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. Give this a good mix and we'll let this marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Of course, the longer you marinate, the more flavorful the wings will be, depending on how much time you have. So once this is done, we'll let it rest and marinate and I'll catch you back in a while. Now we're going to put the dish together. I'll be using my rice cooker for this. If you do not have a rice cooker, you can use a pot, no problem at all. Add in your rice. I have with me over here 3 cups of rice, approximately 390 grams. Wash and rinsed. Pour them all in. These are Thai jasmine rice. The 3 cups I'm referring to are the cups that come with your rice cooker, small cups like this. Add in also 60 grams of carrots, cut into small pieces like this. You can add in mushrooms, corn, green peas, no problem, anything that you like. For that nice beautiful flavor, I'm adding in half a cube of chicken bouillon or chicken stock. I've chopped them up a little bit, just add it in. This is really nice. If you do not want to use this, you can always use chicken stock instead of water later. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. Just a few dashes will be fine. Add in water. Now the water ratio that I'm using is 1:1 with the rice. I've measured 3 cups of rice with this, and thus I'm using also 3 cups of water. This cup actually comes with your rice cooker. So just give it a light stir. Make sure that you mix them up a little bit. If there's any rice by the side, just push it down. Now we add in our chicken. Place your chicken. I like to place my chicken with this side up. Alright, if you can see this. Normally what I do is I'll place this at the 12 o'clock first for the first piece. Then the 3 o'clock session, 6 o'clock session, and of course the 9 o'clock part. And then we just fill in the blanks. Try not to overstack them. Right, just place them by the side like this. And we are not wasting the marinade, just pour the marinade over the chicken. Once you're done with this, close the lid, turn on your rice cooker, switch to rice cooking, and we just turn this on and wait for the rice cooker to do its magic. Before the rice is ready, I will show you how I prepare the fragrant shallot oil. I'll catch you back in a while. Now we're going to prepare our fragrant shallot spring onion oil. Turn on the heat. Using medium-low heat, don't turn up the heat too high. Right, we want to get the fragrance out slowly and not burn everything. Add in about 3 to 3.5 tablespoons of oil. We don't have to wait for the oil to heat up. Add in 1 stalk of the stem of a spring onion. I've sliced it into halves like this so that the flavor can be released better. Just put it all in. 2 shallots, sliced thinly, put them in. Mix them around. Make sure that they have contact with the oil. We are going to add in our garlic after we see that it's going to brown, or when they are about to brown, we add in our garlic. Keep moving them. Always remember to use medium, low or low heat to slowly get the fragrance out. Some of you might ask me whether can I add this to the rice while it's cooking. You can. It's just that if you do this step, it will actually be more fragrant for the rice. You need to fry the shallots, the spring onion, so that all the beautiful fragrance can be out. Move them around. This will take a little bit of time, so just be patient. I'll show you how they look like in a while before I add in my garlic. I've been frying this for a few minutes, approximately 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, some of the shallots are starting to brown already. We'll now add in our garlic. 4 cloves of garlic chop, put everything in. Stir them up well. We'll turn off the flame when the garlic starts to brown a little. We don't want to wait until the garlic is totally golden brown before we turn off the heat, because the residual heat will actually cook this further. Keep stirring them. Wow, the fragrance is really fantastic. For this oil, you can use it on your noodles, spaghetti, or any kind of rice or pasta dish that you want. It imparts a very beautiful fragrance to it. Now as you can see, the garlic is starting to brown already. We'll just spread them up like this and turn off the flame. The rice is also cooked already. We'll just remove the chicken and pour this oil onto our rice and mix them up together. The rice is done. Let's have a look. Whoa, look at how beautiful this is. We'll now remove the chicken first before we add in our oil and the rest of our spring onion. Wow, look at how pretty this is. It's going to be so good. The chicken will be so tender and tasty, and the rice, this will be a perfect lunch for us. One last step before we serve this up, add in all the oil inside this beautiful rice. These are all flavors. Now we just add in one big bunch of the spring onions that I've chopped earlier on. Mix this up well. Oh. If you're at my place right now, you can actually smell this really fragrant. Look at how pretty this is. With the green, orange color, the brown color rice, this is going to be so tasty. So once you have mixed this up well, we'll serve them with our wings and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells absolutely delicious. Let's dig in. The flavor of the rice, really good. The oil is like, in Chinese we say, 画龙点睛. It really brings out the overall fragrance of the rice. Really delicious. Let's try the chicken. Oh. Very tender, very flavorful. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. Very good.